नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जेवियंस डॉक्टर नीरज धोलिया, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटरनरी साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. So today we are here to discuss your practical session. It is the structure of sperm, and this comes under the subject developmental biology lab. So let's start. So the sperm is a male gamete. Gamete is a haploid cell, and it is the counterpart or the female gamete, and they fuse together to form the zygote, which will lead to the formation of the animal. So for to study the structure of sperm, you need a compound digital microscope. Digital microscope is needed for your results. You will take the images and put as a result. And another thing, you need the permanent slides of the sperm, maybe of mice or maybe of human. Along these things, you need tissue papers to clean the slides, to clean the stage and the lenses of the microscope. So what will be the procedure? So first of all, you will clean the lenses of the microscope. Then you will clean the slides also, and you fix the permanent slides on the microscopic stage using the clips or there. And then first you will focus with the coarse focus adjustment, and for the better focus and the better clear images, you will use the fine adjustment. Okay. Then you will observe what you have seen under the microscope, and you will take the images with the help of the digital microscope, and you will relate what you have studied in the theory. So in the digital microscope, you will observe the male gamete, that is the sperm, and the general morphology of the male gamete includes three parts: head, body, and the tail. Okay, so the normal sperm will have the following characteristics. First, a smooth oval head. So the head is generally formed sperm has a smooth surface and resembles the shape of an egg. So head is resembles like the egg. Okay, so they have well developed acrosome or acrosome that covers 40 to 70% of the oval shaped head. So main part is the acrosome. It consists 40 to 70% part. A slim middle section, or you can say the body, that is approximately the same length as the head. Okay. Then a thinner tail section is there, that is about 45 micrometer or micron in the length. Okay. So next, the sperm head also contains the nucleus. Okay, along the acrosome, it also have the nucleus. Nucleus is a genetic material with the 23 chromosomes, and apart from the nucleus, the head is also made up of several parts, include the acrosomal cape. Okay, acrosomal cape, and the nucleus. So together, the two acrosome and the acrosome cape make a acrosomal region. So formed during the spermiogenesis. This is formed during the spermiogenesis. The acrosome is the product of the Golgi complex that contains a number of contents, such as the acrosine enzymes in the acrosomal matrix. And apart from the enzymes, the acrosome also contains a few polysaccharides, such as the mannose, hexamine, and the galactose. Okay, the acrosome occupies the space between the interior plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. And the acrosome itself has an inner and outer membrane, also known as the acrosomal membranes. and where the outer membrane borders the plasma membrane, while the inner acrosomal membranes border the nuclear membrane. So inner acrosomal membrane makes the nuclear membrane, and the outer acrosomal membrane makes the plasma membrane. So this is the fine structure of the male gamete. This is the head part. Okay, this is head, neck, and the tail part. So the general morphology is like this, but it varies according to the species and according to the abnormalities. So the precautions for performing this experiment, the microscope should be handled with care because it is very, very delicate, and adjust the lenses such that the focus is better. And in the observation and results, you will write and what you have observed under the microscope, and in result you can put the images you will take with the help of the digital microscope. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur. Thank you.